Ghana Blackstars. Listen. I don't care. You guys, at least we made it through the next round, but please, that bald-head guy, leave him out in Ghana. I am tired. Me, I'm just getting into football, but each time I see this bald-head guy, he is tired. He is missing the ball. He is zigzagging. Guys, please, Black Stars, I am loving the game so far. Thank you so much for getting me into football. But that your uncle with the shiny head, leave him. We are tired. Leave him. He's tired.
Now, this is our biggest problem that we need to solve. I'm not going to pick on anybody, but I completely disagree with Jude when he says there was an improvement in Jordan Ayew's game. What we are saying is this.
Yeah.
The fact remains that for this team to do better, clearly we need to move away from Jordan Ayew. When the virginity of the game has not been broken, we became better without him. True or false?
True.
In the attacking sense, we became more of a threat, more of an attacking threat.
To that was the Panama game. I'd mentioned to Gabi that the moment you yank Jordan of Ghana scored.
Who told you it's a coincidence? Who told you all the goals scored under this manager has been scored in his absence? That cannot be a coincidence. The goal scored against Wales, he had been substituted. Panama, he had been substituted. That Opoku boy should have scored another goal against England. Then it's confirmed. Don't get me wrong. He's an integral member of the team. But we need to use him in a very smart way to benefit the team. As we speak, you want to talk about whether he's the leader. Yes, I agree. Is Koulibaly not the leader of Senegal?
He is.
Is he on the pitch?
No, he's
on the bench. Yes, simple. You see, and he has got no World Cup goal. Obianka Waka. Sadly, you agree with me, right?
Yeah.
This is his third World Cup. Obianka Waka.
Just at 12 years.
He's got no World Cup goal. True or false? True or false? No, you just told me whether I believe in numbers. You just got the numbers. Listen there. You just told me whether I believe in numbers, and I said yes, I do.
Okay.
So I'm also telling you that. Do you believe in numbers?
You are telling me.
Don't you believe in numbers?
You are telling me. Okay.
Has he scored a World Cup goal?
You are telling me.
This is his third and final World Cup.
Yes.
Back on Bobby. Back on hit the bar. Steady. Can you get me the number of shots he's played on target in 3 World Cups? Well, don't get me wrong.
Okay.
What I'm saying is that we are doing Ghana, and therefore that which will benefit Ghana is what we should all champion.
That's true.
He was very instrumental